Uy, day 13 na pala. Wow, amazing. So, shout out dyan. So, anyway, well, yeah, welcome to day 13, guys. And what is the topic? So, you might want to ask, okay, John, ano na ba yung topic natin ngayon? Ano ba yan? Puro tech na naman yan. Puro tech jargon naman yan. You know what? Yesterday's topic was very timely and very relevant for me personally since I've been doing this kind of talking head. Although hindi pa naman ako masyado really confident at this point, so I must admit, no, here we are. We're on day 13. So what a very long intro. So welcome guys to day 13. So welcome to my 100 day of content challenge, guys. Uh, as you can see, uh, so yeah, day 13. Welcome to day 13, guys. Papalitan ko pa to ng frame since I had this, I put some tape here so that it won't fall off. Because if I remove this tape, mahulog yan. No? So yeah, so that's that's one of those life hacks that I've been doing for that to happen. So yeah, okay, let's start. Enough talking. So okay, I just come back from this thing, the social events, the gathering, the people in. When was the last event that I attended? I think it was the I kind of forgot, but one thing I remember was the Google event, GDG. Yes, that was a few weeks ago. No, and yeah, I don't know, maybe yeah, it was the Swift rather. The Google GBG event was a few weeks before the Swifty H. So Swifty H pala. Okay. The Swifty H event. So I had to get to know the Swifty H Davao community and to hear Jem. Shout out to Jem Kanaya, by the way. Congrats on his first Vision Pro talk. And I also to Al Gab now for the Swift language, you know. Again, I'm just a neophyte there. I get to, yeah, uh, it's a whole new uncharted territory for me to explore there and ayun ano nakaka-inspire lang and what makes me realize na there's so lots to explore around the ecosystem in Apple. So yeah, the gathering, the people, and let's face it, my social CPU is running at about 90 to 95%, but mostly around yeah 80%. And sometimes like there's these fans that are ringing, and I need to close all unnecessary background processes. So for the fellow INTJs out there, or just the introverts and the overthinkers out there, you know exactly what I mean. Feels like running a massive one, an optimized app called, let's say, social underscore interaction.exe. So, yeah. Then, one of those instincts is that observe. Di ba? Observe muna. Sorry ka muna. Scan mo muna yung area. Scan the area. Kung sa Counter-Strike pa, you check kung sino yung anong, mga strange things na nangyayari dun sa environment mo. Di ba? Who's taking up a lot of traffic, who's the silent node on the edge. So where's this real value flow? Now, it's a resource hub. You know, like let's break down what's this system specs natin now. Because if you want to understand the process, then you can manage it. First thing is you have the CPU load. Diba? CPU load, well, there's this small top, diba? Tapos, if you think about it, it's a million micro decisions. Tapos, sasabihin mo na lang, ano kayang susunod kong sabihin? Ano yung gusto kong i-impress or ano yung topic na gusto kong i-throw out towards this event, di ba? Ano yung mga questions ko and what not. Yo, what does that facial expression mean? Each one is a thread consuming cycles, di ba? So that's one thing. Then the second is memory leak, di ba? Memory leak, di ba? You're caching every single interaction, tapos at the back of your head, you keep on replaying those conversations. Tapos, should I have said that? So that's RAM. That's not being freed up. Diba? So the network latency. So when we say about the network latency, there's this delay. Diba? May delay siya between your internal complex thought tapos yung compressed and simplified packet that actually gets sent out over your vocal cords. Tapos it somehow creates yung ano mo, yung sense of disconnection within that delay that you find. Then, well, well, I think the default setting here is the tendency for me is I just avoid it, avoid the app altogether. Wag mo na lang 'to i-run kasi baka mag magloko yung system or magloko yung ano mo, yung, CPU or hindi makayanan ng system requirement ng ng rig mo, 'di ba? So, yeah, don't run it, but that's not always an option, and it's not always good. So when we say about the INTJ way, so this isn't being about the loudest voice. It's about being at the right packet at the right time. And like a system architect, if you haven't watched my previous episode about the system architect thing, system architecture, yeah, you can check it out there. And yeah, efficient, intentional, and precise. So there's a fate component here too. So it's remembering that I don't have to pre-render every single response. And it's okay if mag-rely ka sa a little bit lang of your streaming streaming data, okay? Yung embrace mo in this moment. Tapos ito pa, no? Kung INTJ ka pala, when you're in those events, no, it's not a weakness. It's actually a hidden feature. Hidden. Hidden feature. No? We're designed to be what? Observant mode. No? To process, to analyze, and then contribute with impact. On kay impact. And yeah, the world doesn't need more traffic. It needs more signal. That's what I think. So remember, if you're someone who's like social CPU spikes, it's okay. Okay lang yan. You're not broken. And you just remind yourself that you're just running a different OS, a different operating system. Which leaves me to a challenge. Ooh, challenge time. Uy, may challenge si John sa inyo. Ayun. So ito yung challenge ko sa inyo guys ha. So next time, when you're at an event, don't fight. Okay? Don't fight your wiring. Observe muna, scan lang muna, di ba? And when it's time, then you speak with purpose. Send the right packet, no? Or the right signal. And that's one of those things that's faith and strategy. It's being rolled into one. Diba? Yeah. So much for that. I'm gonna go decompress for a while and then see you tomorrow for the big system check, which is day 14. Yes, yes, yo. And I might sound a little bit old here, but see you guys for day 14.